Using cash management, you can view your cash balances in a portfolio in real time and have the flexibility to track and manage cash to meet your needs. In this view, we're looking at a portfolio with the new cash-related portfolio columns. These cash columns are available within the Design Columns window under Cash. The columns show how much cash you have, how much is settled, unsettled, how much is due to trades, dividends, coupons, and more. Under Totals, using the PTF cash columns, you can also see your total cash balance values. These cash balance holdings that you see are created automatically or manually and display the cash from all transactions having certain attributes in common with the holding. More about how cash. In this portfolio, the cash balance holdings display cash by currency for accounts Account 1 and Account 2, and for legal entity ABC. These cash balance holdings display cash by account, currency, and legal entity. This is called the cash account structure, and upon setup of cash management, you can determine which combination of parameters works best for you to track and view your cash. The cash account structure is configured by Imagine, and once set, cannot be changed. In your portfolio, you can arrange your cash balance holdings so that they are at the top or bottom, or in a separate portfolio. To designate where these holdings display within a portfolio, use the column sorting feature. Here, we are sorting by the Is Cash Balance portfolio column first, which shows all of the cash balance holdings first and all other holdings at the bottom. To view the newly created cash balance holdings in your portfolio, you may need to change your portfolio filters. You can also use the filters to view all cash balance holdings in one portfolio, or completely exclude them in another. Here, we are pulling in all holdings for Account 1. Now we are going to learn about a few more setup options. The start date for cash management is an important date. This is the starting date for when cash flows will be recorded, and must be a date now or in the future. Another setup feature is the Enable Multi-Currency Transaction setting. This setting is configured by Imagine, and once set cannot be changed. More about this setting and how it affects your cash balance holdings can be found in a separate demo. The Transaction Event Type setting is the last setting to be discussed in this demo. The options for this setting are controlled by you after cash management has been activated. You can include or exclude transaction event types from affecting your overall cash balances by checking or unchecking the checkboxes. The events will continue to generate cash flows and be recorded in P&L regardless of whether they are checked or not. However, if they are unchecked, they will not affect the amounts in the total cash columns in the Imagine trading system. To understand how cash balance holdings are created, please view the next demo.